Aluminum foil was first made in 1903. In 1911, it was used to wrap chocolate bars from Switzerland, helping to keep them fresh for longer and allowing them to be shipped farther. Today, about 5 million tons of aluminum foil are used around the world every year. But have you ever thought about how it's made? The process starts with bauxite, a mineral full of aluminum. Bauxite is taken from mines, either on the surface or underground. To make aluminum, the bauxite is put through a process called bayerization, where it is crushed and mixed with sodium hydroxide. This helps separate the aluminum from other minerals, leaving behind solid waste. The solution is then filtered and cleaned to get a substance called alumina, which is made of aluminum oxide. Next, the alumina goes through a process called electrolysis. In this process, the alumina is dissolved in a special bath and an electric current is passed through it. This separates pure aluminum from the alumina, and the aluminum sticks to a surface called the cathode. The pure aluminum is then collected and formed into blocks called billets. The billets are then rolled into thin sheets through a process called rolling. First, the billets are heated to make them soft. Then, they go through hot rolling, where they pass between rollers that press them and make them thinner. The sheets become thinner and more even in thickness. After that, a process called cold rolling is used. This makes the aluminum sheets even thinner and gives them a smooth, shiny surface. Cold rolling also makes the aluminum stronger and more flexible, so it can be used for many different purposes. The rolling process is very careful, with the temperature and pressure being controlled at each stage to make sure the aluminum foil is of high quality. Once the aluminum sheets are rolled and smooth, a layer of aluminum oxide is added to protect the foil from damage. This coating helps prevent rust and keeps the foil in good condition. Special lubricants are also applied to make the aluminum easier to handle during the process. These lubricants reduce friction and ensure the sheets slide smoothly through the rollers without becoming deformed. After these steps, the sheets are finally turned into the aluminum foil we recognize. Special rollers stretch and thin the sheets to make them even thinner, while keeping them flexible. The foil is then cut into rolls of specific sizes. These rolls are carefully packed into boxes to keep them safe during shipping. The packaging of aluminum foil is important. Not only does it need to look good, but it also needs to protect the foil inside. High-quality packaging is used to ensure the foil is secure and arrives in perfect condition. Aluminum foil is then sent to stores and businesses, where it can be bought by customers all over the world. In the end, the aluminum foil you use in your kitchen, or in other industries, goes through many careful steps to make sure it's perfect for all sorts of uses. If you like this video, give it a like and share it with someone who might enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to learn more about how everyday items are made.